morning to all of you. And once again, thank you very much to show your inclination towards learning. As I said, networking is not only about business people. Networking is not only about people who want to gain out of it. And networking helps us being happy. Networking helps us being making more money in life and a lot of stuff. So for today's session, because I personally thought that this session can be helpful to many of us because it has helped me. I met Paritosh Pathak, who's India's #1 networking coach. Actually, I should not say India's because he has been an international speaker. He has authored a book and he's an amazing person himself. Many of you are part of BNI chapters. I remember I met Paritosh first time in 2010 when he was building up Gurgaon BNI, and he met me, and since then we have become friends. There's a huge influence Paritosh made in my business when I attended sessions or sometimes spoke to him. He has been an amazing guy. And one common thing between me and Paritosh which clicked us is that you need to be a go-giver first to start getting benefit. That's the rule #1, which was my thought also always, that you first give, then you get. And that's what Paritosh believe in and share. So a warm welcome to you, Paritosh. The platform is all yours. I have already shared the kind of mixed group we have here. I'm sure 50% would be in business and 50% would be in job. Yes. Some are younger, starting their career. Some are at later stage of their life, scaling up their businesses. Some may be thinking about it. I don't know. The whole platform is Paritosh. A warm welcome. The platform, guys, just to quickly once again, also we know the session we are going to have. We are going to have initial conversation, and then we can ask questions. You can put on chat box. Bhushan, me, or Salil, one of them can just, club common questions, ask Paritosh. That's what Paritosh normally we do, but you can decide how you want to run your session, because I understand you're not showing any presentation. You're going to have more of talk and everything. Right. Use some whiteboard. So up to you, Paritosh, a warm welcome.
All right. Sounds good. Thank you so much, Aseem. I want to say it's an absolute pleasure, Aseem, and since I'm so glad I got to speak to you guys, Bhushan, and read what Amrishji wrote, and got to know about this thing about parents and kids. This is the first time I've heard in any institution. It might be happening. I've heard it for the first time, and that's just super amazing. I'm even more excited to be here today at the YMCA Mob Alumni, and I love the name Mob Alumni, right?
Mob is meet old buddies.
Of course, that's the acronym. I got that, but it's like a mob, right? It's mob itself is culmination of people coming together, right? That is good. And for the kind of purpose you guys have, it's absolutely amazing. Right, so let me jump in, guys. I want to make sure that today's session turns out to be extreme value to you. And to make this extremely valuable for you, there are two parts in any session for the session to become valuable, right? The two things that have to happen. Number one, the speaker has to add value, right? The speaker needs to know what he's doing, right? He needs to come there with an authentic intent of giving, serving, contributing, and I'm here with that. The part two is you having an intent to learn, right? You need to be willing, okay? So there are a couple of things I'm going to ask from you, which is my feast here, right? Number one, the first feast that I want from you is setting an intention to be coachable, to be willing to learn. Right, I can see the kind of group and the way Aseem has told me about the group. I'm sure there are people here who have been there, done that, right? And sometimes our learning, our knowledge that we have can come in the way of our learning, what we already know, right? So my first ask from you is just keep an open mind, hear out things, and then decide whether you want to receive it or not, okay? But set an intention that you want to learn something. Number two, I want you to be 100% present, right? And what this means is I would request you to turn your cameras on. I'd love for it to be camera off session because it's very difficult for a speaker to look at names and hold that energy for an hour and a half, right? So if you want an interesting session, turn the camera on. And if you want a boring session, keep your cameras off. Right? If I don't get energy from you, I'll not be able to give it to you. Okay? So turn the camera on, and I'm going to start calling out names. Aseem knows I'm a very shameless trainer, right? And because I'm virtually there, you can't even beat me. You can't hit me. You can't do anything, right? Aseem can. He knows where I live. But I'm going to start calling names, and here is what I do. I add a prefix to the name when people don't turn their cameras on. Okay? And the prefix is Bahu. Right? जैसे बहुएं आती हैं और घूंघट डाल के बैठी रहती हैं शर्मा के घर के बड़ों के आगे. Right? So I'm going to start calling Bahu Asim, camera on karo. Right? So this is going to be absolutely fun session. कोई presentation नहीं है, death by PowerPoint नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. And it's very frank and straight conversation it's going to be. Okay? So that's two. Number one, have an intention that you want to learn something. Number two, keep your camera on, because अगर आपका कैमरा ऑफ है तो आपको मालूम है और मुझे मालूम है कि आप 100% प्रेजेंट नहीं हो. And here's the thing, guys. The first learning I want to share with you. Your business can go and come back. Your money can go and come back. Your name can go and come back. Your fame can go and come back. All of this can go and come back. But your time, the time that you spend, flows one way, right? So approximately 90 minutes that you're spending with me, you need to have an intention of getting a return on your time, not on your investment. Time is far more important return on your investment. And if you want return on your time, be 100% present. Number three, please make sure you have a paper pen with you. There's certain things that I might ask you to take notes of during this session, okay? Thank you so much. With this, let's get started. We're here to talk about networking, guys. Now, networking ko leke, the biggest truth is this, that if I come and ask you today, right now, that what is networking, all of you will give me very profound answers. It's about collaboration, it's about learning, it's about this, it's about that, and it's going to be bullshit. It's all going to be lie. Because the honest truth is that for networking for us is business. But we don't own that. We don't honestly say that. Right? And here's the thing, if I ask you what is the meaning of networking, you'll give me a definition today. And if I come to you a week later, you'll give me another definition. Right? The challenge today is that a lot of us believe that networking is about business. And one thing that I want to share with you is this, the biggest rule of networking is the more I try and generate business from networking, the less I will. The more I try and generate business from networking, the less I will. Let me explain this. I am here now. This is a networking opportunity for me with you, and all of you are my prospects. Let me just be very clear. Whether you are a business owner, whether you're an employee, I have programs for all of you. You're all my prospects. Now, if I saw this, if I said in my mind, oh wow, I've got 46 business owners, employees, right? Let me secretly sell to them. If I started doing that, that's, between the conversations, I'm hinting the name of my program, and my next workshop, and
next session,
and all of that I'm doing, right? And you get to know that, okay, you know what, Paritosh is actually not giving value, he's here to sell. The more I try and sell to you, the less likely you are to buy. Right? Please show me a hand if you agree, if you understand what I'm saying. Right? कि अगर मैं यहाँ पे जितना ज़्यादा आपको बेचने की कोशिश करूँ, बोलोगे तूने किसको बुला लिया, तूने, you've called a Selu here. Right? And Asim's going to take the beating because I came here and sold. But here's the thing. You tell me this, that what do I want? Do I want you guys to become my clients? Absolutely yes. I'll be lying if I said it was a no. But here is the point, guys. Answer this question for me. What is that I should do today in this session that you want to come and take my training? You say, this is good. I want to see what else Paritosh has to offer. What should I do here today? Please go to the chat box and type. What should I do today in this session that you would want to take trainings from me and I don't have to sell to you? Okay? Add value, absolutely. Add value to your benefit, add value. Excite, yes, absolutely. Right? Trust first. Cool. So tell me this, in all of these things, right? Add value, get person excited, win the trust. In all of this, tell me this. Am I supposed to give to you first, or am I supposed to take from you first? What am I supposed to do? Chat box, please. Give or take? What am I supposed to give, right? Absolutely, I'm supposed to give. Okay, cool. Thank you. Now, here's an honest question. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सवाल है जिसका सच्चा जवाब मुझे मालूम है, आप दो ना दो वो अलग बात है. मे बी आपका अहम, आपकी ईगो बीच में आएगी and you won't want to give the honest answer, but I'm asking you an honest question. You know this, you know that if I give first, I will automatically get what I'm looking for. But what are you trying to do when you're going out there networking? Are you going with a giving mindset or a get mindset? Tell me that. That box. Right? Yes, thank you. Thank you, Amrish. This is absolutely amazing. This is the honesty. Ownership is the step one of transformation, guys. We don't want to own our truth. हम अपना सच ना own नहीं करना चाहते. हम जाते हैं with a get mindset. But जब बातें होती हैं तो हम बड़ी बड़ी profound बातें करते हैं. नहीं हम तो giver हैं, हम तो ये हैं, हम तो. But good majority of people go out there to get. And when you acknowledge that, you can change it. बहुत सिंपल सा सिद्धांत है. बहुत सिंपल सा सिद्धांत. मेरे को अगर आपसे बिजनेस चाहिए और मुझे चाहिए, मैं बिल्कुल झूठ नहीं बोलूंगा आपसे, मुझे चाहिए, लेकिन अगर वो लेने के लिए मैं आपको जितना सेल करूंगा उतने आप चीज ऑफ हो जाओगे एंड यू आर दैट मच अनलाइकली टू बाय. एंड दिस इज व्हाट यू डूइंग एवरी डे आउट देयर. And this has to change. If you want people to give to you, you have to build relationship with them, and relationship gets built on value. Right? So we have to understand the meaning of networking. Abhi, how have we learned networking today? You guys have done your engineering from here, and then many of you would have done many courses from other prestigious places. Have you ever been taught networking in any of the institutions? No. No institution. Now, eventually, all of us know today that eventually everything runs on relationships. After a point in time, everything runs on relationships. For example, you can get a customer from anywhere. You can get a customer from referral, from marketing, from sales, from advertising. कहीं से भी आप customer ले आएं, he's going to stay with you on relationships. Eventually, everything runs on relationships. And our educational institutions haven't realized that. They haven't realized that there's not a single institution in the country that is teaching networking as a course. Even though after a point in time, everything runs on relationships. And you haven't learned it. So if you've not learned networking in institutions, then how have you learned networking? That's a very important question to answer. Why am I talking about this? Because it's very important that we understand the problem first before jumping to the solution. Right? People like Asim know this, right? He is a consultant. I don't know about many of you, so I'm specifically taking Asim's case here. People like Asim know that if we jump to a solution without understanding the problem completely, it is very likely that we end up solving the wrong problem. So before I tell you what to do with networking, how to do networking right, I want to help you understand where the problem lies. Okay? Cool. Now, the problem is this, that we've not been taught networking. And because we've not been taught networking, we have learned networking from a concept called, I'm going to bring up my whiteboard here, social proof. Social proof is a principle of influence that says, in which a person believes that whatever everybody else is doing must be the right thing to do. सारे कर रहे हैं तो सही होगा. Right? So how have you learned networking? I'll take an example. You started your business or you started your career, and then people around you started to tell you, you need to network, and you should go to this event and you should go to that platform. And people go to that platform and they go there and see how's everybody networking. Somebody's coming to you, giving their card out, giving you their card and saying, hi, my name is Paritosh Pathak, I'm a strategic networking coach, blah, 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 blah. He said, okay, cool, thank you, good. फिर आप अगले व्यक्ति के पास गए, उन्होंने सेम चीज करी, उनसे अगले के पास गए, सेम चीज करी, and by fourth, fifth person, you're like, okay, this is how I'm supposed to be networking. That's how most of us have learned. ये एक example दे रहा हूँ. Social proof के अलग अलग examples होंगे जो आपके ऊपर apply होंगे. Now here's the thing. Social proof का जो पूरा definition है वो ये है that a person believes whatever everyone else is doing must be the right thing to do, even though nobody is sure what they're doing is the right thing to do. So every person who's coming and giving their card to you is not sure this is the right way, but he's doing it because he's doing it, he's doing it because he's doing it. And that's how we've learned networking. And because everybody goes in a networking event and is only talking about their business and career and business and career, so do you. But that brings a problem, because here's the thing. In networking, people buy people. In this session, अगर जो मैं आपको बोल रहा हूं, अगर आपको मेरा बोलने का तरीका, मैं जिस तरह का इंसान हूं, अगर आपको वो सब अच्छा लगेगा, you will come and buy from me. I am the only networking coach in the country, guys. Only one. In a country of 1.3 or 4 billion people. Just one. But that is not enough for you to come and take my training. You need to see me as a person. You need to feel the kind of things that I say, how I say it, how much belief I have. That is when you will make a decision whether you want to come to my training or not. People buy people, not the product. Product comes second. And how do we lead ourselves in networking? सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट मेरा कैरेक्टर है. मेरा कैरेक्टर आपके सामने क्या आ रहा है. लेकिन पहले जब मैं नेटवर्किंग के लिए जाता था तो मैं अपने कैरेक्टर से लीड नहीं करता था. I used to lead with my competence. I would bring my card out and I would say, hi, my name is Paritosh Pathak. I'm a strategic networking coach. Strategic networking coach is my competence. That's what I do. That's not who I am. Think about it. When at networking or anytime somebody asks you, what do you do? The answer that you give is the answer to the question, who you are. So you ask me, Paritosh, what do you do? I don't tell you what do I do. I tell you who I am. Paritosh, what do you do? I'm a networking coach. No, Paritosh. I did not ask you who are you. What do you do? आप करते क्या हैं? What do you do? Now the answer to that question is, I help business owners create breakthroughs in the world of networking. I help organizations, employees create breakthroughs. That's what I do. That's not who I am. So when you ask me, who are you? I will say I'm a networking coach. But when you say, what do you do? I'm supposed to tell you what do I do. Such a common thing. हर रोज हमारे साथ हो रही है, and we are giving it the wrong answer because this is what we have seen everybody else do. Right? Now get this. Networking का जो true definition है, guys, that's here. Skill. Now in skill, you need to understand how are you supposed to build amazing relationships with people. Right? And I want to give you a formula of that. In my programs, I teach a concept called conscious networking. Right? Unconsciously तो हम network कर ही रहे हैं. Unconsciously हम कर रहे हैं, मिल रहे हैं लोगों से, ठीक है, whether we've gone to a marriage, whether we've gone to a birthday party, whether we've gone to get vegetables, whether we've come to office, whether we've come to the alumni. Unconsciously we're networking with people, we're meeting them, and we think that's networking. But if you really want to become that kind of person, that people around you fall in love with you and they start to care about your success, they start to care about contributing to your life, whether it is through business opportunities, whether it is through career opportunities, whether it is through giving you help, recommending you a doctor, giving you advice, mentoring you, whatever it is. If you really truly want to become that kind of person, then here is the formula that you have to follow. The formula of conscious networking is GI plus VC. Right? Now, GI stands for genuine interest. Right? Now, yes, सुनने में बड़ा technical लगेगा, but it's going to get amazingly beautiful in next 1 or 2 minutes. This concept is so amazing, so powerful, right? Genuine interest says that we are genuinely interested in the life of other person. Right? Where the person is coming from, where the person is going to in life, right? What's the goal? What's the mission? Why is the person like this, right? We're supposed to be connected to that person. We're supposed to keep ourselves second and make that person the most important person for the 5 minutes of conversation that we're having with them. But let's look at what we do. We judge people behind their back, right? We say mean things about people. All right, don't talk about this person's useless, this is this, that's that, right? We carry that kind of separation intent with people. Why? Because they do one or two things that we don't like. And because they do those one or two things that we don't like, we end up feeling that we've got the right to judge them as if you are God's gift to mankind. आप तो भगवान के बनाए हुए पुतले हो, आप में तो कोई गलती है ही नहीं. या आपने कभी जिंदगी में वो गलती नहीं करी जिसके लिए आप दूसरे को क्रिटिसाइज कर रहे हो, उसे जज कर रहे हो. एंड बाय द वे, मैं आपसे पूछ नहीं रहा हूं आप ये करते हो, आपको बता रहा हूं आप करते हो. आपका अहम मानने दे ना मानने दे वो अलग बात है. सारी दुनिया रिश्तों पे चलती है और खुद से पूछो पूरे दिन में हम कितनी देर लोगों के लिए अच्छा सोच रहे होते हैं और कितनी देर लोगों के लिए बुरा सोच रहे होते हैं. और फिर हम ये वहम लेके चलते हैं दैट वी आर एन अमेजिंग नेटवर्कर. राइट? जब तक आप लोगों को जज करना बंद नहीं करोगे, उनको राइट रॉन्ग गुड बैड के बॉक्स में डालना बंद नहीं करोगे, आप नेटवर्कर नहीं हो. आप सक्सेसफुल हो सकते हो, you can be rich, you can have a huge business, you can be all of that, but you're not a networker. And in that case, what's going to happen, that the people that will be around you because of your success, not because of you. That's because you've done well, and everybody likes to be around people who've done well. Right? Here's the thing. Let me tell you one simple thing. आपका जब तक खुद के साथ रिलेशनशिप अच्छा नहीं होगा, till the time you don't have a strong relationship with yourself, you cannot build an amazing relationship with other people. What does that mean? Majority of the people on this call right now, guys, I've been a trainer and coach for 11 years, right? I'm making some very tall claims here, I know that, and you're meeting me for the first time, so हो सकता है आपको लगे ये है उम्र क्या है इसका, तो अभी बाल भी सफेद नहीं है, बोल क्या रहा है, right? So in my defense, I want to give you a little bit of context. I've been a trainer and coach for 11 years, right? I've trained, coached thousands of people. My clients are from all segments of life and all stature of life. I have clients that are worth thousands of crores in their business. I coach them one-on-one. And I've been flown to different countries to give a 2-hour coaching session to the head of an international bank. Right? That is the level at which I work. So जो मैं आपको कह रहा हूँ, ये अहम नहीं है, कोई गुमान नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. 11 साल में जो मैंने इंसानों का सच देखा है, अपना सच देखा है, ये सब उससे आ रहा है. ठीक है? तो हो सकता है मेरी बोली कुछ बातें आपको बुरी लगें सेशन में. मैं एक बार हाथ जोड़कर क्षमा मांग लेता हूँ, बार बार नहीं मांगूंगा. ठीक है? लेकिन एक बात मैं बता रहा हूँ, मैं यहाँ पे आपका I'm not here to be your friend. I'm not here to be your friend. I don't care about saying nice things to you. I'm here to be your best friend today. Your best friend, what does he do? He comes to you on your face and says, भाई तू रहने दे, तू जो ये बोल रहा है ना मुझे मालूम है, I know this is the truth. Right? So that's the intent I'm coming from. Okay? Cool. Now,
thank you, and thank you, Paritosh. We want that. We want a friend who can tell us on our face. Thank you.
Right. Thank you, and thank you for being open to this, Aseem. Right, and that's the reason, Aseem, your openness is the reason you're doing so well in life today. And I believe I've told you that before as well. Right. Cool. Now, relationship itself. For majority of people here on this call right now, their relationship itself comes in this one sentence. I am not good enough. Again, अहम नहीं मानने देगा, but ये कैसे आता है? ये ऐसे आता है, I'm not rich enough, I'm not successful enough, I don't have a big enough office. I don't have a big enough car. I can't speak well enough. I can't dress well enough. I don't have that style. I don't have this. I don't have that. I don't have that. And this is a truth that you do not share with anyone in the life. It just stays inside of you. And it is there inside of you, not asking you. Constantly comparing yourself to fellow people in your batchmate. That person's done so big, right? And because you are all the time judging yourself, you judge everybody else. And abhi aapka dimag chal raha hoga, a lot of you will be thinking in your brain, what do I say to myself? What do I say to myself? You're not going to find it so easy. Your brain is thinking 65,000 thoughts a day. They come and go so fast, right? And these belief systems that you have, they're not in your conscious, they're in your subconscious. So aapko yahan nahi milenge. Right? The deeper exercises that you can do that can help you identify this, okay? But here's the thing. If you don't believe in yourself, why would I? If you're constantly comparing yourself, if you're constantly thinking that you're not enough, why would I? And then you know what we do as human beings? When we think we are not good enough, you know what we do after that? We come into a phenomenon that I call overcompensation. हम overcompensate करते हैं अपने not good enough को कैसे? Ego में आके. The ego becomes a defense mechanism. I don't want you to make me realize that I'm not successful. So I will come in a space of ego. I'll be like, no, this, that. And I will start judging other people. I will start wronging other people because I judge and wrong myself. Let me give you one very interesting example here. Asim, let's say अगर 2 minute में I knock on your door and I come to you and say, Asim, मुझे ना बहुत important need है bro, मेरे को 5 लाख रुपए चाहिए 10-10 के नोट में अभी के अभी. दे पाओगे?
5 लाख के रुपए 10-10 के नोट में?
हाँ, दे पाओगे?
नहीं दे पाऊंगा. Naturally, it's not ready with me.
Because you don't have it, right?
Yeah.
So असीम के पास 5 लाख रुपए 10-10 के नोट में नहीं है तो मेरे को दे नहीं सकते. इसका मतलब जो हमारे पास है हम सिर्फ वो ही दूसरों को दे सकते हैं. And if I'm judging myself, if I have judgment for myself, that is what I will give to you. And if that is what I give to you, that is what will destroy my relationship with you. Let me talk about alumni in general. This is not the first talk that I've given at alumni. I've given at countless alumni, right? In any alumni, there's a lot of politics going on. Right? I don't even have to ask you this. It happens, right? Groupism hota hai, favoritism hota hai, all of that drama is happening. Why is that happening? Deep down inside, it's happening because we're constantly judging people. We're expecting people to behave in a certain way, and when they don't behave, we judge them. Even though we ourselves don't behave in a way that we want ourselves to behave. We want to get up at 5 in the morning, we don't do that. We want us to eat healthy, we don't do that. We want us to exercise, we don't do that. We want us to meditate, we don't do that. If I don't do what I'm supposed to do, that's okay. But if you don't do what I'm supposed to do, I'm going to judge you. And here's the thing, guys. This is not just destroying your relationships in networking. This is wrecking your relationships at home as well. You know how charity begins at home? Networking begins at home. Right? So skill is the number one thing. Now let's talk a little more on this, okay? We're constantly operating in fear when it comes to networking, right? We're operating in fear of rejection. What will the other person think of me? What will the other person say? What will be this? What will be that? If I go and talk to them, what if they don't respond, right? What if they think I'm too small and they don't respond to me? All of that, right? We're operating from that. Then we're constantly comparing ourselves to other person's success. What do we do is when somebody big comes in front of us, we become small. Sir, yes, sir, haha, sir, oh, sir, absolutely fine, sir. And when somebody small comes in front of us, we're like, okay, come here. I'll tell you how to run your life, bro, come here. This is what we're doing, right? And then We're constantly worried about what Asim is thinking about me, what Amrish is thinking about me, what Samir, what Surinder is thinking about me. And what in reality, what is happening is that if I think I'm not successful, I'm going to start assuming that Asim thinks I'm not successful, Amrish thinks I'm not successful, Samir, Surinder thinks I'm not successful. If I go to Asim for a moment, I try and talk to him, and Asim ki apni dunya mein kuch chal raha hai. He's got some stress, he's dealing with something, and he doesn't talk to me normally for whatever reason. I'm going to come and say, oh, yaar, you know what? Yeah, of course he's not going to talk to me. He's a big guy, I'm a small guy. But the truth is, I think that Asim thinks that because secretly I think that about myself. So इसको अगर मैं अपनी टेक्निकल लैंग्वेज में बताऊं तो we project our perception and reflect it back on ourselves. Right? And then we rule people out when we are networking. If we think कोई काम का नहीं है, that person cannot help me in my business or career. If the person is small, we'll rule them out. If the person is not related to our trade, we'll rule them out. But tell me this. Let's say this is you and this is me. And I think, oh, you're not my prospect, and I rule you out. Couple, I'll just come to that in a moment, please. Just give me one moment, okay? Right. I think कि आप मेरे काम के नहीं हो, and I rule you out. How do I know that my biggest client ever is not your brother, your sister, your friend, your son, your cousin, someone who is just one phone call away from you? You may have no work for me. You may not be of any professional value for me. But if I rule you out, if I judge you, if I wrong you as a person, I have no idea what am I losing. And every day we are making this mistake, guys. Why? Because this loss that we take is invisible.
Hello?
This loss is completely invisible because if I've ruled you out, I will never come to know that in one phone call you could have changed my life. In one phone call. That all you have to do is pick up the phone and call and say, you know what? Yeah, I've given your number to Paritosh. He's an amazing guy. Just work with him. A 30-second call from you can change my life. But how will you do that? Because I'm too busy judging you. I'm judging you on the money that you have. I'm judging you on the kind of business you have set up. I'm judging you on the way you speak, the way you eat, the way you sit, the car you drive, where you stay. I'm judging you on everything. So if this is what I'm giving to you, how will you and I build a relationship? And if you and I don't build a relationship, how will you ever make that 30-second phone call for me? If you are in ego, I don't know you are or not. If you are in ego, please know that ego is a secret overcompensation for us feeling that we're not good enough. That's it. And here's another beautiful truth. सबको सबका सच दिखता है. आपको 5 मिनट में पता लग गया होगा कि मैं किस मिट्टी का बना हूं. आपने इतनी दुनिया देखी है. अगर मैं यहां पे नॉट गुड इनफ में आके बैठ के ओवर कॉम्पनसेशन में ट्रेनिंग करूंगा ना, गाइस नेटवर्किंग इज दिस, नेटवर्किंग इज दैट, नेटवर्किंग इज दैट, आपको 5 मिनट में पता लग जाएगा. इतनी दुनिया देखी आपने. you've got that much experience, right? Show of hands if you agree कि हमको 2-4 मिनट में लोग पता लग जाते हैं कि किस मिट्टी के बने हैं. जज करेंगे ना, कम ऑन. अब देखो, अब हाथ नहीं उठाएंगे लोग, राइट? ठीक है, मत उठाओ, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, इट्स ओके. होता है ऐसा. तो अगर आपको 5 मिनट में पता लग जाता है कि मैं किस मिट्टी का बना हूं, तो आपको क्या लगता है? औरों को नहीं पता लगता कि आप किस मिट्टी के बने हो. सबको सबका सच दिखता है. You can't hide it. Age has nothing to do, your business has nothing to do. Everybody has seen enough life. And if I come here and try and be someone that I'm not, it'll take you a few minutes to get to know that. Right? So, नेटवर्किंग में सक्सेसफुल होने का सबसे पहला स्टेप है स्टार्ट बिकमिंग ऑथेंटिक विद योरसेल्फ. What are your weak points? Understand those. If you're struggling in business, stop hiding it. There's not a single business owner in the world, there's not a single professional in the world who's not struggled at a particular point in time. Not one. But if you're struggling today, that struggle is not your identity. You don't have to hide it. One, दूसरे को पहले ही पता है. आप बोलो ना बोलो, सबको सबका सच दिखता है. Number one. Number two, when you try and hide it, it becomes worse. So we're going out there, when I'm sitting in networking conversations with people and people are introducing, they're praising themselves. Paritosh, we've done this project and we've done that project and we've done this and we've done that and look at this and look at that. Here are the certifications. Here is my office. When people are doing that, I know that inside they're trying to tell this to themselves, not to me. Right? जो मैंने आपको अभी फिनोमिनन बोला था ना कि सामने कोई बड़ा आता है, हम छोटे बन जाते हैं, कोई छोटा आता है, हम बड़े बन जाते हैं. वी कॉल इट काबा. एक सिंड्रोम है जिसका नाम है छोटा आदमी बड़ा आदमी सिंड्रोम, CABA. राइट? दिस काबा सिंड्रोम से जो लोग स्ट्रगल करते हैं, उनके सामने जब कोई छोटा आता है वो बड़े बन जाते हैं, कोई बड़ा आता है वो छोटे बन जाते हैं. इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब यह है कि उनकी खुद की कोई डिफाइंड वैल्यू नहीं है अपने माइंड में. उनकी वैल्यू सामने वाला व्यक्ति डिफाइन कर रहा है. अगर आप बड़े हो तो मैं छोटा हूं, आप छोटे हो तो मैं बड़ा हूं. तो मेरी खुद की कोई आइडेंटिटी ही नहीं है. और जब मेरे माइंड में खुद की कोई आइडेंटिटी नहीं है, तो आप मुझे क्या वैल्यू करोगे? एंड अगेन, मैं पूछ नहीं रहा हूं आप लोगों को ये सब होता है क्या. मैं आपके फेस पे आंखों में आंखें डाल के कह रहा हूं कि होता है आपके साथ ये. जब तक आप अपने सच से भागते रहोगे, you're not going to become the best potential person that you can. सारी दुनिया में ना एक वहम है. वो वहम ये है कि लोगों को लगता है कि कॉम्पिटेंस जो है ना, that is very important. How good we are at what we do, right? If I'm a trainer, what kind of trainings that I run, how good are my trainings? If I make products, how good are my products? If I'm an employee, how good I'm at work I do, right? Everybody's focusing on their competence, right? But research done has validated कि आपके सक्सेस में आपके कॉम्पिटेंस से ज्यादा आपके कैरेक्टर का रोल होता है. 6 to 7 times more. Your character is 6 to 7 times more valuable in your success. What is the character? How do I treat you? How do I see you? Yes, you're struggling in life right now, and just because I'm doing better, do I have the right to look down at you? Okay, you're the kind of person who doesn't do things that I like, who doesn't come to meetings on time, who doesn't do this, doesn't do that. Am I judging you for it, or am I motivating you for it? What is my character, who I am? Character is how do I respond under pressure? Character is do I give first or do I take first? What am I operating with? Character is even if I might be struggling right now, do I still care about making you successful? My character is how do I see myself? Do I see myself as not good enough? Good enough. That's my character. एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली आज की डेट में हमारी स्कूलिंग में, हमारी एजुकेशन में कहीं पे इन टॉपिक्स पे बात ही नहीं होती है. देयर वाज अ टाइम हमारी कंट्री में गुरुकुल का सिस्टम होता था. गुरुकुल में पहले इंसान का कैरेक्टर बनाया जाता था, फिर उसकी कॉम्पिटेंस. And in today's education, the education that all of you have gotten. I'm to 40 years old. There are people who would be senior here to me. Even in your education, very little conversation on character. And ultimately, this is what people are using to decide whether they want to work with you or not. What kind of person you are. This is what people are using.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Asim. Right? So, till the time, guys, you're not willing to own your truth. And your truth could be that, yes, you're a judgmental person. Don't judge yourself for that. It's okay. It's okay that you are judgmental. Now start changing. The truth could be that you're a person of ego. Don't judge yourself for that. It's okay. Just start coming out of ego. The truth could be you're struggling in your life or career right now. That's okay. I've told you again, ask any successful business owner or professional how many times they've struggled in their business and career before they've come to success. How many times they did not have money to pay salary to their employees, to pay taxes, to do this, to do that. And it's not that it ever gets over. Every business owner, every few years is dealing with a phase like this. So struggle has nothing to do with success. Even people who are successful struggle on Monday or Tuesday. Don't worry about it. So if you're struggling, it doesn't define your worth. Yes, school fee, absolutely. I've gone through that phase completely. There was a time I wouldn't enter home because I know that my wife is going to ask me that tomorrow we're supposed to pay my daughter's school fee, and I didn't have that money. And here I am today doing pretty good for myself. It's okay, right? So, yes, absolutely. It's okay if you're struggling. It's okay. Do not make that struggle your identity, your self-worth. It is a part of your journey. Do not reduce your value in your own eyes because you have less money than someone else, because that person one day did not have that kind of money. It took time for that person to get that kind of money. In all of this, guys, what am I saying? ये सारी बात मैं networking के session में क्यों कर रहा हूँ? क्या लेना देना इसका, right? The conversation is this. If your relationship with yourself is not solid, please forget it that other people will be willing to pay you, willing to trust you, willing to risk on you, willing to support you. It's not going to happen. Not going to happen. I want to give you this one very interesting story. I'm a member of an organization called TIE. The Indus Entrepreneurs, Silicon Valley में start हुई थी, and उनके Delhi chapter में I'm a charter member. Charter member are mentors, and supposedly people who have done well and now they can mentor other people, they're made charter members. I was standing in a charter member meeting, and I'm privileged to be in the charter member club because people like Deep Kalra, owner of Make My Trip, Sanjeev Bikhchandani, owner of Naukri.com, these are the kind of people who are part of charter member club there. Okay. So I'm standing there, and Deep Kalra, Make My Trip owner, is sharing the story about the Oyo founder, Ritesh. And he's saying, he's telling us all, please bring my mic closer. Okay, give me a second. I've actually not connected my mic. I'll just connect one. I was using the laptop mic.
बेटा कोई कॉल आया तो बोलना 5 थोड़ी देर में करें.
बिल्कुल सुखबीर जी, थोड़ी देर में कराओ. सेशन बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है, इसको मिस नहीं करना.
Sukhbir is from Chandigarh.
Awesome, awesome.
I could try.
सर चंडीगढ़ में बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं मेरे.
लव यू सर, हैप्पीली वेलकम.
थैंक यू सर. नेक्स्ट टाइम आएंगे, विल कनेक्ट.
सर असीम सर तो आते रहते हैं, इनकी शूटिंग चल रही है ना पंजाबी मूवी की.
सर उन्होंने ना मेरे को ऑफर किया था कि पंजाबी मूवी में तू विलन बन जा, तो अगर इन्होंने हीरो का रोल ऑफर करा होता तो मैं ले लेता, लेकिन थोड़ा विलन
सर हीरो तो खुद ही रहते हैं सर, ये विलेन तो आप और मेरे जैसे बनते हैं। वेलकम सर, वेलकम। इट्स वंडरफुल प्रोग्राम सर। गो, प्लीज गो अहेड सर।
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Right. Cool. So I've connected my mic. The audio should be better now. Okay. What was I saying just before this?
You're talking about that charter, and you're talking about Deep Kalra.
Right. So I'm starting in the group. Deep Kalra is starting, and Deep Kalra is sharing the story about Ritesh Agrawal. Ritesh Agrawal, everybody knows Oyo ka owner hai, and he is the youngest billionaire in the world, FII. He's not just a billionaire, he's the youngest billionaire in the world, okay? And Ritesh is telling that there was a time that, Deep is telling that there was a time Ritesh आया था टाई में अपना business plan present करने के लिए Deep और बाकी लोगों को, and he did that and everybody like gave him feedback and said कि जाओ अब ये अपने plan में changes वगैरह करके लाओ, mentoring करी थी उसकी, and they told him जाओ ये करके लाओ. So instead of being happy, Ritesh is sad and he's sitting in a corner. So Deep notices that and Deep goes to Ritesh and Deep says, what happened? You should be happy. Everybody likes your plan. He says, no, all of that is fine. I don't have the money to go back home. Listen to this. Very amazing learning here. The world's youngest billionaire today, at one point in time, used all the money to come from his town, get on a train, bought one-way ticket to present his plan to the Thai community. And he did not have money to go back home. And I think Deep gave him money to go back home. This is what character is, guys. How much money you have, how much you're worth is not your character. Now, Ritesh didn't hesitate that how can I go to a multi-billionaire and say, I don't have money. He owned his truth. Ritesh owned his truth and told Deep, I don't have money to go back home. And because Ritesh was absolutely okay with who he was, where he was in life, he's become the world's richest billionaire today.
Fantastic.
Fine. Thank you. Your success, your failures are not the measure of who you are. Your character is. And your character is either inclusive, कि आप सबको include करते हो, किसी को judge नहीं करते. अगर तो वही है, अगर आप खुदा के भेजे हुए मेहमान हो, you're the God's gift to mankind and you're flawless, then तो it is okay. Then तो you've got a right to judge everybody. लेकिन अगर आप वो इंसान हो, दुनिया में हर इंसान ऐसा है जिसने अपने वो रूल्स, वो बिलीव्स जिसमें बिलीव करता है, किसी ना किसी पॉइंट इन टाइम पे तोड़े हैं. Every single principle that you follow, every single belief that you have, you've broken it at some point in time in life, so you're not perfect. So stop separating people from yourself, because उन लोगों से ही आपकी सक्सेस आनी है. अगर असीम और मेरे बीच में रिश्ता अच्छा नहीं होता, I would not be here with you today. And मुझे नहीं मालूम कि असीम ने मेरे को आज यहां बुलाया, यहां से आज, कल, परसों, 1 साल बाद, 2 साल बाद, 10 साल बाद मेरे लिए कौन सी अमेजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी निकल के आनी है. But if I would have been judging असीम कि बहुत ये है, बहुत वो है, ऐसा नहीं, असीम में कुछ जज करने के लिए नहीं है. मैं जजमेंट वाला चश्मा लगाऊंगा, 50 चीजें मिल जाएंगी. वो तो मैं अपनी अहम से देखूंगा ना. अहम से तो मैं कुछ भी निकाल सकता हूं, जबरदस्ती के लिए मैं कुछ भी बना सकता हूं. तो अगर मैं अहम के चश्मे में असीम के साथ बैठा होता, असीम is far more successful than me as a trainer and coach, guys. He and I are of the same community. He's miles ahead of me. Miles. Just look at the team size that is. I have a team of 6 people. Asim, you've got what, 50?
Yeah.
Look at that. So अगर मैं ये सोच के बैठ जाता, असीम क्या कह रहे यार, he's such a big guy. Oh, no. I look him, when I see him, I look up to him as an inspiration. This is possible. I want to get there. I don't see him as competition. And that's what a lot of you do. When you see someone more successful than you, you come in the space of competition. Oh, that person's got more than me. No, you've got choice. Turn that competition into inspiration. For me, Asim is honestly an inspiration. And he's a flawed human being. So am I, so are you, so is everybody else. So why will I focus on his flaws when everybody has them? I will focus on what I can learn from him, the energy that he operates in, what kind of belief system he works with. Some time ago, Asim and I were traveling to Chandigarh, and he was sharing a story with me, and I was just all ears. I was like, I want to listen to this guy because he is where I want to be one day. I wasn't sitting, oh my God, oh no, I don't do competition. No. This is your character. And your character is 6 to 7 times more valuable in your success. So a lot of you are constantly busy on improving your products, in becoming a stronger trainer if training is what you do, right? You're focusing constantly on improving your competence. That is good. Please do that. But please, at the same time, work on your character. And the number one thing that you have to do, build an inclusive character where anyone could be good or bad or right or wrong. In your world, they're okay. Because you're equally good or bad, right or wrong. वो orange flavor में bad होंगे, आप apple flavor में bad होगे, बस यही फर्क है. ठीक है? उनको लड़कीबाजी की आदत होगी, आपको पैसे वेस्ट करने की आदत है, अहम दिखाने, शो ऑफ करने की आदत है. So just because आप उनमें आप वाली बुराई नहीं है, उससे वो बुरे नहीं बन जाते. Right? People buy people. Please remember that. Please remember. Right? Cool. So 3 component है networking के. हमने एक डिस्कस करा है, which is skill. Right? The second is called. Now system का example मैं आपको ऐसे देना चाहूंगा.
Paritosh, just one thing. You talked about that formula and you talked about,
Oh, yeah. Sorry, sir. Yes. Thank you.
GI
Thank you.
VC. So I think you talked about GI plus VC.
Right. Thank you. See, that's why you're more successful than me. All right. Cool. Right. So हमने conscious networking की बात कर रहे थे, जिसमें हम अभी तक GI की बात कर रहे थे, दूसरों में genuinely interested होना है और उसमें अपना character inclusive बनाना है. Right. The second one is VC. VC stands for value creation. जिस दिन आपने 2 चीजें करनी शुरू कर दी कि जब आपके सामने कोई व्यक्ति आया and you completely forget about yourself, you forget about how rich or poor you are, how successful or struggling you are, and you completely अपने आप को समर्पित कर देते हो सामने वाले व्यक्ति पे 5 मिनट के लिए, and you make that person the most important person in the world, and you then just start taking interest in that person. That's called genuine interest. Do that, and the next step is never leave a conversation without at least trying to add value in someone's life. Never leave a conversation. Now that value could be recommending a book to someone, making an introduction, giving a referral, connecting them to one of your clients, giving them an ear, honest ear to listen to, giving them a shoulder to cry on. That value could be anything. Anything. But find a reason, find a way to give something to the person that you're talking to. If nothing else, it could be 2 minutes of authentic listening. Give that. जब आपके अंदर दूसरे में genuine interest होगा और value creation करने की intent है, तो फिर से एक रूल अप्लाई होगा. और वो रूल क्या है? सबको आपका सच दिखता है. अब दूसरों को दिखेगा that you're the kind of person that cares for them, that wants to contribute to them, that you're not a judgmental person, that you're an inclusive person, and that will create an emotional connect between you and them, and that is where success starts from. That is where success starts from. Right? genuine interest, and value creation. When it comes to value creation, guys, the intention of value creation is far more important than value creation itself. इस बात का कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि आप दूसरे की लाइफ में वैल्यू ऐड कर भी पा रहे हैं या नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, सिर्फ इस चीज का फर्क है कि आप करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं या नहीं. हम इंसानों को ना एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज बताता हूं. मेरा बिलीफ ये है कि दुनिया में सबको नेटवर्किंग आती है, बस नेटवर्किंग के स्किल पे जंग चढ़ गया. तो मैं लोगों को नेटवर्किंग नहीं सिखाता, मैं वो जंग उतरवाता हूं. बेसिक नेटवर्किंग आपको आती ही आती है ऑलरेडी. सो अगर आपने बिलीव कर रखा है कि आप जाके लोगों से बात नहीं कर सकते, या आप ऐसे लोग हैं जो मीटिंग्स में आके चुप होके बैठे रहते हैं, अपने आप को एंगेज नहीं करते, और ये सोच के बैठे कि आपको आता नहीं है, गलत है, झूठ है. मेरे ऐसे क्लाइंट्स हैं जो पूरे दिन के नेटवर्किंग इवेंट में जाके एक व्यक्ति से मिले बिना वापस आ जाते थे, और आज के डेट में उन्हें जगह जगह पे नेटवर्किंग पे टॉक देने के लिए बुलाया जाता है कि हाउ आर दे सच अमेजिंग नेटवर्कर्स. एंड उनको लगता था कोई दुनिया में उन्हें नेटवर्किंग नहीं सिखा सकता. बहुत सारे लोगों को लगता है हम सीख ही नहीं सकते, जितनी आती है हमें आती है, बस इससे ज्यादा हम नहीं कर सकते. और क्योंकि लोगों को ये लगता है पूरे भारत देश में एक ही ट्रेनर है, कि सबको ये लगता है कि ये स्किल सीख ही नहीं सकते. Right? Cool. Now, from skill coming to system. Right? System का एग्जांपल देता हूं. क्या आपके साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि आप एक नेटवर्किंग इवेंट में गए, वहां पे गए, बहुत सारे कार्ड्स लिए, खुद को शाबाशी दी, बड़ी अच्छी नेटवर्किंग करी, तूने इतने सारे कार्ड्स लिए, वापस आए, वो कार्ड्स अपने टेबल पे रखे और उनको कहा कार्ड्स तू यहीं रुक, मैं कल आके तुम्हारे साथ कुछ करूंगा. फिर कल आप आए उन कार्ड्स के पास, लेकिन कल कुछ काम आ गया, तो आपने कहा कार्ड्स को, कहा कार्ड्स रुक, मैं आज काम आ गया, मैं कल तेरे पास आऊंगा. फिर कल कुछ काम आ गया, फिर 2-4 दिन निकल गए, फिर 2-4 दिन बाद आपने वो कार्ड्स उठाए, और कार्ड्स उठा के आप देख रहे हो और आपको याद ही नहीं ये कार्ड मैंने कब लिया, अरे ये कार्ड मैंने कब लिया, ये कार्ड मैंने, मुझे तो याद ही नहीं. फिर आप खुद को कहते हो कि अगर मुझे ही याद नहीं कि ये कार्ड किनके हैं, तो उनको मैं कहां याद होऊंगा, तो छोड़ो, कुछ करना ही नहीं है. तो आप में से कुछ लोग उसके ऊपर रबर बैंड लगाते हो, कोई स्टिकी लगाते हो कि इसका कलेक्ट हुआ था, कभी कुछ करेंगे इन कार्ड्स का, और उठा के रख देते हो. या अंधे होके सबको एक सेम ईमेल भेज देते हो, दैट डियर मिस्टर पाठक, इट वाज ग्रेट टू हैव मेट यू एट दिस इवेंट यस्टरडे, प्लीज अलाउ मी टू इंट्रोड्यूस माय सेल्फ. फिर आता है 100 लाइंस ऑफ टेक्स्ट एंड 20 अटैचमेंट्स. जबरदस्ती के वो ईमेल भेज रहा आप सबको कि कहीं तो चलो सारे में तीर मारो, कभी तो निशाना लगेगा. रिसर्च हो चुकी है इस डोमेन में, जब लोगों को ईमेल आती है, वो वाली ईमेल्स, ऐसी सेल्स ईमेल्स, लोगों को लगता है कि जिसने भेजी है वो स्ट्रगलिंग है, वो डेस्परेट है. ये 2 वर्ड्स निकल के आए हैं कि वो स्ट्रगलिंग है और वो डेस्परेट है. लेकिन क्योंकि आप 100 ईमेल भेजते हो, उनमें से एक में तुक्का लग जाता है, आप कहते हो अरे वाह वाह वाह, दिस सिस्टम इज अमेजिंग. You don't see the 99 losses you've taken on, the credibility loss that you've taken on, the respect loss that you've taken on. हम ये क्यों करते हैं? क्योंकि हमारे पास नेटवर्किंग का कोई सिस्टम नहीं है. अगर मैं सिर्फ इवेंट की बात करूं, किसी भी नेटवर्किंग इवेंट को आपको बात करना है, तो उसमें आपको बिफोर प्लानिंग करनी होती है, ड्यूरिंग द इवेंट आप क्या करोगे वो करना होता है, और आफ्टर अ नेटवर्किंग इवेंट आप क्या करोगे. सो बिफोर में आर यू गोइंग टू स्टडी द पीपल, कौन कौन आ रहे हैं. ड्यूरिंग में आर यू गोइंग टू प्रैक्टिस GIVC, एग्जांपल दे रहा हूं कुछ चीजों का. आफ्टर में आर यू गोइंग टू कनेक्ट विद देम ऑन सोशल मीडिया, सेंड अ थैंक यू ईमेल, नॉट अ सेल्स ईमेल, सेंड अ थैंक यू ईमेल. ये सिस्टम है नेटवर्किंग का. आपको आपके नेटवर्किंग के गोल्स क्लियर हैं. मेजॉरिटी ऑफ यू आर हियर partly because yes, it's your college alumni as well, but you also want business opportunities to come through this alumni, career opportunities to come through this alumni. If you say, Paritosh, that's not my intent, I will not believe you. Fine. Okay. There are a lot of people here in this group that can create amazing opportunities for you. But what's your system? Do you reach out to them every now and then? Do you give them a call? Do you meet them one-to-one on Zoom? Are you adding value in their life? Are you caring for them? Are you introducing them? What's the system? Right? एक ना स्ट्रेटेजिक नेटवर्किंग होती है जिसमें हम स्ट्रैटेजी से नेटवर्किंग करते हैं, जो कि मैं सिखाता हूं। बाकी की दुनिया जो करती है ना, वो आरबीएन करती है, राम भरोसे नेटवर्किंग। आज मन करा तो कुछ कर लिया, कल नहीं करा तो नहीं करा। आज ये सेशन करा है, 2-4 को जोश चढ़ेगा, कुछ करेंगे। एक हफ्ते बाद क्या होगा पता नहीं। अगर आपके पास सिस्टम है नेटवर्किंग का, तो सिस्टम से आपको यह पता लगता है कि आपके गोल्स क्या हैं, आपको कितनी नेटवर्किंग करनी है, आपको कितना एफर्ट डालना है, कितने दिन आपको नेटवर्किंग पे लगाने हैं, कहां नेटवर्किंग करनी है, किससे करनी है। ये सारे सवालों के जवाब हमको सिस्टम से मिलते हैं, और जब इन सवालों के जवाब होते हैं तब हमको नेटवर्किंग का रोल समझ आता है अपनी लाइफ में। अभी हम राम भरोसे नेटवर्किंग इसलिए कर रहे हैं क्योंकि हमको पता ही नहीं व्हाट इज द रियल रीजन व्हाई शुड वी डू नेटवर्किंग। सो एक राम भरोसे नेटवर्किंग है, दूसरा we've got a major skill issue, we're busy judging other people, we're going out there to get. How will networking work for us? Guys, there's a reason that the most successful people in the world, the billionaires and trillionaires of the world, are constantly giving this one tip to people: build great relationships, build great relationships, build great relationships. There's a reason that these guys are constantly telling the world that you want to be successful, build great relationships. You need to surround yourself with the kind of people who motivate you, who inspire you, people who are where you want to be. That's why I love being with Asim, because he is where I want to be. बीच में 3-4 साल का फेज रहा है असीम और मेरे बीच में, जहां पे हमारी बात नहीं हुई है, but any time we've spoken with each other, it's just relationships just taken off. I'm always happy to have him around. I want to be surrounded by such people. I have a list of people, name returns of who I want to surround myself with. Create that list for yourself. Now find reasons to spend time with those people. Mera reason set hai. One of my training is coming. I'm going to set up a studio. The day I set up a studio, I'm going to call Asim for dinner. Because he told me he wanted to see my studio, and I want to be with him. I'm going to create a reason. I'm going to call him over for dinner. I'll find a reason to be with him, because every time I'm with him, I learn something. Because I'm willing to learn, because I don't have any condition. Asim doesn't have to be any kind of person for me to approve of him. He's already achieved a lot more than me. I have to be a student. And I have a choice. My ego can come in the world. I'm the only networking coach in the world. What will he teach me? Sorry, in India, right? What will he teach me? I have a choice to go into ego. Or I have a choice to make him my inspiration. Right? But what's my system around it? Do I have a system? Do I know who are the people that I want to spend time with? Do I know how much time, effort I should be spending on networking? Do I know any of that? Right? You guys are here, you're learning from me. Some stuff would be making sense. What will you do after this? Would you reach out to me, connect with me on social media, Facebook, etc.? Right? Would you stay connected, or would you be that kind of person who's like, chalo, bahut acha session tha, Asim bhai, awesome. And right, what are you doing after the event? Who are the people here? Forget me. Who are the people here that you want to connect with? Who are the people that you want should become your inspiration? Are you going and meeting them one-on-one? Take them out for lunch, take them out for drinks, do whatever you have to. Surround yourself with such people. Do that, please, for your own success, okay? That's about system. Look at your goals, right? कि आपका total goal क्या है? Whether you're a business owner, whether you're a working professional, what's your total goal? What percentage of that goal you want should come from networking? And once you have that goal, that is when comes strategy. The third step is strategy. And you know, one of the biggest mistakes business owners and professionals make when it comes to networking is the moment they think that they need to start doing networking, they straight away jump to strategy. They start attending events, they start joining platforms. Not worked on their skill, not created a system, and jump strategies. Since there are people here from platforms like BNI, let me share this with you. In any business networking platform, only 10% of people are actually profitable, making money. 90% of people in those networking platforms are not making money because they're using those platforms the wrong way. Very few people know how to use it the right way, and they go and create success. So joining a networking platform is a strategy, right? But you're supposed to join a networking platform when you have leveraged your existing network. I never recommend to people, I'm a big believer in networking platforms. In my trainings, after a point in time, I ask people to go and join that platform. But before they join the platform, I tell them very clearly, you need to leverage your existing network. आपके customers आपको referral दे रहे हैं या नहीं दे रहे हैं? कितने दे रहे हैं? आपको मालूम है क्या? जो दे रहे हैं क्यों दे रहे हैं वो मालूम है क्या? जो नहीं दे रहे हैं क्यों नहीं दे रहे हैं वो मालूम है क्या? Your existing customers, your existing network, employees के लिए उनका जो बाकी का network है is the best source of new opportunities. Business owners के लिए, the customers are the best source of new opportunities. But most of you who are business owners here, ignore your existing customers. आप उनसे सिर्फ तब बात करते हो जब या तो पैसे लेने होते हैं या कुछ काम देना होता है. When was the last time you went and had a cup of tea with your most important customer, but in that meeting, you did not want to ask anything of them. You went to them for them, to talk to them about them, to see what can you do for them. When was the last time? Probably never. And if that is the case, then doesn't it explain that they don't refer you? Because वहां पे ना एक phenomenon होता है जिसको मैं कहता हूं TC, transaction complete. आपने उनको product or service दी, उन्होंने आपको money दिया, transaction complete. Now, why would they give you referrals? What more have you delivered to them? And giving discounts doesn't come in that. It doesn't. Right? So, strategy को सही तरह से plan करना जरूरी है. And strategy में सबसे पहले, the smart way, okay, business and careers are built upon.
Paritosh, I just want to share a little build on this because what you're talking is very, very important. And what your formula was there, GI and VC, I think that plays a very important role here. Either you are part of the community or you are a part of, talking to an existing client.
Doesn't matter, yeah.
Yeah. So value creation is so important that if you really create value, you really don't need to ask for referral. They will automatically refer you. And that is the beauty.
Yeah.
I do consulting with my clients, and I can just share an example. Recently, we were there's a client called Ganga Acro Wool in Ludhiana. They are one of the biggest wool. And while we are working with them at various places, they wanted some kind of help, some kind of thing, like something happened in their ransom attack and they wanted some reference and all that. And we just, because of client relation, I just added that value. And sometimes while we are sitting, they just ask me, Asim, can we look at this? Can we do this? And I added that value there and not commercial transaction. I was shocked after we are working with them for 1 year and still our project is going on. But I got call from 3 different business owners. And they tell me that Amit Thapar has referred us to you. And he is saying that you do amazing work. We want to come and meet you.
Absolutely.
Just imagine. So that's what happens, because I was genuinely interested in their success and I was creating a value. So they became genuinely interested in my success and they started giving me reference. That's how it works, guys. And it's beautiful. Thank you, Paritosh. I just thought I'll share that.
No, thank you. Thank you. Right. So, Aseem, here's the thing. Now, this is absolutely true. There's no denying in what you've said. And this can become 5 times, 10 times more valuable when you've built this kind of relationship and you are still willing to ask. Because here's one thing, Aseem. A lot of people who want to give us referrals are too busy.
Yeah.
उनकी लाइफ में इतना कुछ चल रहा है that वो सोचते हैं अच्छा आज करेंगे, कल करेंगे, अब करेंगे, तब करेंगे.
I agree with you.
So आपने अगर relationship build कर लिया है, then go and ask. क्या होगा? साथ साथ मना करेंगे. That's it. फिर वहां पे ईगो बीच में मत आने दो ना कि ओहो मना कर दिया. ठीक है, जिस दिन टाइम होगा उस दिन दे देंगे वो आपको कनेक्ट्स.
Paritosh, just to add in this ego and rejection, fear of rejection, I think I shared in one of your earlier session also. My dad used to tell me that rejection is not a no. Rejection is a refusal. There could be reasons for other person to refuse. He doesn't have that, he can't do. So don't take it on heart. If he has said no, either ask him why he's saying no. Is there any reasons for that? Or don't take it to your heart and ask to the next person. Because rejection is not no is not a rejection. No is a refusal. And I think I live with that. And
brilliant.
I fully agree. Once you build a relationship, there's no harm in asking because other person would not know what you want. Fantastic.
Cool. Right. Shall we take some questions now? We have 10 minutes.
Okay, guys. So you can write or you can ask direct questions because Paritosh prefers, talking to people directly. So if you have any questions, I could see one question, Paritosh, which is there about if there is already a sore relationship, then how do you start to build this up again?
Okay, right. So Aseem, मैंने ट्रेनिंग्स में देखा है जैसे ही हम ट्रेनिंग्स की ग्रेट रिलेशनशिप्स बिल्ड करने की बात करते हैं, इन टॉपिक्स में ना पार्टिसिपेंट्स में किक इन हो जाता है और उस फिनोमेनन को मैं कहता हूं टॉप ऑफ द पिरामिड, TOTP. ठीक है, तो अभी क्या हो रहा है, हमने अभी बोला है कि बिल्ड ग्रेट रिलेशनशिप्स एंड नरेश ने अपनी सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम उठा ली. He's gone to the top of the pyramid. He said, Paritosh, मेरा एक relationship खराब है. How do I take care of that? Naresh is the answer. If you want to become a master at relationships, you don't start at the top. You start here. Relationships में GIVC सीखने में टाइम लगता है. आपको GIVC करना पड़ेगा नरेशन के साथ. Right? ईगो छोड़ने में सीखने में टाइम लगना पड़ता है. One of the most difficult things in the world is to learn to drop your ego. One of the most difficult things in the world. और अगर आपको जाके अपना खराब रिलेशनशिप किसी के साथ ठीक करना है, आपको अपना अहम छोड़ना पड़ेगा. लेकिन जिसके साथ खराब है, आप उसको जाके बैठोगे, वो बोलेगा आ गए तुमने तो ये कर दिया, ये तुम्हारी गलती है, वो तुम्हारी गलती है, ये सब तुम्हारी गलती है. फिर आप बोलोगे मैं तेरे लिए GIVC क्रिएट करूं, आपका ईगो ट्रिगर हो जाएगा. Right? So please start with this group, this community. Aseem was telling me कि आप लोगों ने एक business networking platform start करा है within this. I couldn't have been more happy to hear that, guys. Start there. उस business community में, उस business network में जाओ, लेकिन लेने के लिए नहीं, देने के लिए जाओ. आपको मिलेगा. अगर हर व्यक्ति उस नेटवर्क में लेने के लिए आया है तो देगा कौन, ये तो बताओ मुझे. Right? So this is such an amazing thing that you've turned that into a business networking platform. Aseem, if there's any way I could contribute there, right? Please let me know. I'll be more than happy.
Thank you very much. In fact, Gurgaon chapter has taken this initiative and that is being led by Bhushan, who's part of this and a great BNI networker.
Then sorted.
So we are going to launch this in another couple of days. The aim is only to give and help each other.
Yes, absolutely.
And thank you for offering help, sir. Paritosh, if anything is there, we'll definitely come back to you.
Done, please, done. More than happy to help, right? So here's the thing. Yeah, sorry, somebody saying something?
Yeah, Paritosh, you have put so many mirror in front of us today. Amazing, the kind of reflection we all have got. No question, just want to share one thing. My children go to a school in Hyderabad,
Mhm.
and motto of this school is character first and competency second. You are the second person after this school I have heard this particular thing. So just wanted to share that.
That is
Uh,
amazing. That
yeah.
is amazing. Really
So
good.
they have some Atma principles which this school follow.
Yeah.
To what extent it has been inculcated by the student is a different thing, but at least there is a thought.
Yeah.
And a biggest differentiator in today's time. And as I said, you are the second person after that. I was always wondering, who is the second person I'm going to meet or an organization which believes in this.
Happy to be at your service, sir.
So finally, could meet someone.
Surinder, so I'll give you third also. In our organization, my own company also, this is the motto. Character is before competence, for hiring, for developing, for everything. So we believe we have more character questions than competence questions when we hire a person.
Yeah. So every time I meet principal, I tell her, you yourself do not know, what exactly you have been doing in your school, that the school has gone to a level where almost 5 branches are there with more than 4,000 students. And she was amazed. Yeah, actually, and just to share, they could make 2,500 students to participate in a school function in a big stadium, where I could see some student dancing who were my son's friend, and I was getting nervous seeing them dancing. So can you imagine the kind of engagement this character thing brings when you make it as your first motto? More than
Vikas wants to ask a question, I guess. Thank you, Surinder. Great input.
Thanks,
and
sir.
now you have got three references. So let's build characters.
Paritosh sir, one question I am having.
Haji.
Not question, I basically just want to understand a few things we observed in life, right? The person who go on the smoking or go on the drinking, they make their networking. So is that a reason? Another aspect is there in the
not at
organization.
all. Not at all. ये पहले एक आंसर कर दूं. I don't smoke and drink. I don't smoke. I don't drink. In fact, I will be the quietest person in a group. I speak so much when I'm on the stage. वो अंदर से ना जान शक्ति मिलती है उसमें. अगर आप लोग मुझे बुला लोगे, असीम से पूछो. असीम had recently invited me to a dinner, right? All his clients were there, and I'm supposedly the networking expert, and I'm sitting between the group, and I'm the quietest guy. Right?
No, I tell you one observation. I was working in Kolkata, and my boss was a smoker.
Yeah.
The person who goes with him the smoking, I observed the great relationship between them.
No, sir. No, you're wrong.
No?
Your observation is wrong.
I may be wrong. That's what I
let
want
me correct
to
it.
Let
me correct it. Smoking is the tool that person was using to build a relationship with your boss. Yes.
Okay.
But sir, smoking is not the only tool in the world.
No, that's I understood.
Now
that I want to understand.
No, Abhi, suno. You also have access to some tools. The problem is, your friend is more committed to his tool than you are to yours. Your friend is committed कि अगर बॉस सुट्टा पीने जा रहा है, मैं अपना काम छोड़ के सुट्टा पीऊंगा उसके साथ. और आप वहां बैठ के अपना ढूंढने की बजाय कि मैं अपना रिलेशनशिप कैसे बना सकता हूं, आप बैठ के वहां ये सोचते हो, यार मैं तो सुट्टा पीता ही नहीं, मैं तो रिलेशनशिप बना ही नहीं पाऊंगा, मैं तो ये कर ही नहीं पाऊंगा, मैं तो वो कर ही नहीं पाऊंगा. आपका वो दोस्त कुछ नहीं सोच रहा कि वैष्णवी क्या सोच रहा है, क्या नहीं सोच रहा, उसे कोई मतलब नहीं है. उसका कमिटमेंट अपनी अप्रोच पे आपका कमिटमेंट आपकी अप्रोच से ज्यादा है. That is why he built a stronger relationship. I've always had great relationships with my bosses, one of the best ones. And I never used to go out drinking with them. I never used to go out smoking with them. And a lot of people who went, मेरे उसमें मेरे से पूछा जाता, भाई तू क्या करता है, तू तो जाता नहीं है, how are you? Nothing. I was just being authentic with the people.
Yeah. Slowly and slowly he understood. Yeah, slowly and slowly he understood. And yeah, that's what we meant. Another question in the similar line, like I am working now in South. I worked in Bangalore also with Philips Electronics. I'm working with Micron and Veritas I worked with. So I observed specific community build one group, like Tamil people make one group, Telugu people make one group. So how these kind of the things you can, it's always a time based, right, in organization.
PIVC, that's it, nothing else. See, देखो, networking में expectation से काम नहीं करना है. Right. And this is what happened with me. I went to UK to study, right? And मैं इतना खुश हो गया था कि अरे वाह मैं तो गोरियों के साथ पढ़ूंगा, ये करूंगा, वो करूंगा. क्लासरूम का दरवाजा ओपन एंटर करा तो सारे साउथ इंडियन, एक इंटरनेशनल, लड़की छोड़ो लड़का भी नहीं. तो मैंने एक साल पूरा निकाला है. आई वाज द ओनली नॉर्थ इंडियन. तमिल्स इधर हैं, बाकी इधर हैं, मैं हैदराबादी हूँ, सबका अपना ग्रुप बना हुआ है. वो लोग आपस में भी बात नहीं करते. बट बाय द 4th month I had friends in every single group.
Yeah.
See, here's the thing, Ashwini. Either you, आप दो सवाल हैं, आप ना गलत सवाल पूछ रहे हो. आप सवाल ये पूछ रहे हो कि मैं इन ग्रुप्स में एंटर कैसे करूं. ये गलत सवाल है.
Okay, probably
सही सवाल ये है कि मैं ऐसा कैसा बनूं कि ये ग्रुप्स मेरे को अपने में इंक्लूड करना चाहे.
Okay.
दूसरे सवाल पे गेम खेलोगे ना दोस्त, थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा, कोई बात नहीं, लगने दो. But
Okay,
these
great.
guys will. Sorry, Sin, go ahead.
No, I'm saying Vikas has raised hand since long. Vikas, what's your question?
Yeah.
Oh, right. So,
Thanks,
actually, I hope
thanks.
that answers your question.
Yeah, thanks, sir. Thanks, sir.
Vikas, yes, please.
Yeah, Partosh, thanks. Excellent session, amazing insights, really benefited. I have one question. For a corporate professional turned entrepreneur, I mean, a novice like me, if he joins a a professional network like BNI, I want to give, but my experiences are from corporate life. I sometimes I feel the constraint that in spite of wanting to give, I am unable to give. So
Right, sir.
how do you tackle such questions, such issues?
So, because this is a very common problem, and it's not just for a corporate professional turned entrepreneur, for many entrepreneurs as well, this is a problem. Here's the thing. If you don't have enough, so दो चीजें होती हैं. One, you could be wrong in thinking that you don't have enough to give.
Okay.
Okay? How old are you now?
47,
How many years of working experience?
26.
तो 26 साल की उम्र में किसी ने नेटवर्क बिल्ड ना करा हो, ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता.
That's on the corporate side. You're right. Absolutely right. Yeah.
अब ये देखो, दिस इज assumption that you're making. मेरे को तो कॉर्पोरेट में कनेक्ट चाहिए ना, मेरे को तो. आपको कैसे पता वहां पे लोगों को कॉर्पोरेट में कनेक्ट नहीं चाहिए? You don't know that. And जब आप प्लेटफॉर्म में जा रहे हो ना, go sit there. Don't make a decision to join right away. Say, can I sit with the leadership team? Sit with them and say, guys, this is my challenge. I have connections here, 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 and here. Right? And मेरा mental block है अभी that I may not be able to contribute. And the leadership teams of these platforms, they're trained so well to help people break these barriers. They're sitting there to empower you. Education is a big, big tool in these kind of platforms. जो इन platforms में आते हैं उन सबको networking नहीं आती है. प्लेटफॉर्म में सिखाई जाती है. आपको तैयार होना है. ओके, बिकॉज वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो क्या है कि आप गिव नहीं कर पाओगे, 2-4 महीने बाद प्लेटफॉर्म छोड़ दोगे, बस यही होगा. यही होगा.
Especially when you feel, sorry, especially when you,
एक मिनट सुनो. ये वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो है. बेस्ट केस सिनेरियो क्या है कि आप दे भी पाओगे, आप ले भी पाओगे, आपका बिजनेस भी ग्रो कर जाएगा, सब कर जाएगा. किस सिनेरियो को लेके गेम खेल रहे हो, मुझे ये बताओ.
the second one, of course.
नहीं, वर्स्ट आप फर्स्ट को लेके कर रहे हो क्योंकि आप कह रहे हो मैं दे नहीं पाऊंगा. सेकंड को लेके खेलोगे तो जाओगे और टीम के साथ बैठोगे, बोलोगे गाइस दिस इज माय चैलेंज, आई एम गोइंग टू नीड योर हेल्प, आई एम गोइंग टू नीड योर हैंड होल्डिंग, आई एम गोइंग टू नीड सपोर्ट, आई एम गोइंग टू नीड यू टू टीच मी हाउ कैन आई हेल्प द ग्रुप.
Okay, got it.
गो डू इट ना. वो क्या हो गया, मैं कह रहा हूं अभी से मानो वाकई में 4 महीने बाद आप छोड़ देते हो, सच में छोड़ दो. क्या हो गया? ना आसमान फटेगा, ना धरती हटेगी, कुछ नहीं होगा. एक प्लेटफॉर्म काम नहीं करा, कोई नहीं, कुछ सीखने को मिल जाएगा. वो सीखना 6 महीने बाद, 1 साल बाद फिर ज्वाइन कर लेना.
Good.
और लेकिन ये देखो, ये चीज समझ आओ कि स्ट्रैटेजी स्टेप 3 है. ये क्लियर कर लेना कि मैंने बहुत क्लियर करा है.
ये समझ में आ
सबसे
गया.
बड़ी गलती लोग ज्वाइन करने में करते हैं कि अपने स्किल और सिस्टम पे काम नहीं करते. मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देता हूं. Majority people who are these part of networking platforms, उनको पता ही नहीं है 1 साल में उन्होंने कितना पैसा जनरेट करना है वहां से. क्योंकि ये नहीं पता उन्होंने कितना पैसा जनरेट करना है, उन्हें ये नहीं पता उन्होंने कितने 1-to-1s करने हैं, उन्हें कुछ नहीं पता। आ रहे हैं मंडे कुछ कर रहे हैं, ट्यूसडे कुछ कर रहे हैं, वेडनेसडे कुछ कर रहे हैं, देयर इज नो ऑर्गेनाइज्ड सिस्टम। एंड जो लोग ढंग से काम करते हैं, जो लोग एक सिस्टम से काम करते हैं, दोज आर द पीपल हु एंड अप मेकिंग मनी देयर। सो सबसे पहले अपनी स्किल पे काम करो, सिस्टम सेटअप करो, फिर स्ट्रैटेजी पे जाना। तो अगर आपको 2 महीने 4 महीने रुकना पड़ता है अपने एग्जिस्टिंग नेटवर्क को लेवरेज करने के लिए, सब कुछ करने, रुको, कोई बात नहीं। अपने फियर्स को, एप्रीहेंशंस को ओवरकम करने में टाइम लगता है, कर लो, कोई बात नहीं।
Great. I think you got because Rishi, you raised hand. What's your question, Rishi?
Yeah, my question is very similar to the first question. So rather, that was the leading question for me to ask that smoking is an easy tool, right? What are the other tools?
ऋषि, मैं सिर्फ एक टूल यूज करता हूँ, ठीक है, सिर्फ एक यूज करता हूँ, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आई हैव अमेजिंग रिलेशनशिप्स विद पीपल लाइक Asim, the kind of names I have direct access to, a lot of you would not believe. And one very simple tool, GINVC.
Absolutely.
ये ना रामबाण है नेटवर्किंग का ऋषि, इसके आगे सारे टूल फेल है। सक्सेस की ना एक फिलॉसफी है, डू लेस, डू इट बेटर देन एनीवन एल्स। तो सब कुछ करने की बजाय जो सबसे वैल्यूएबल चीज है ऋषि, मेरे जो कोर्सेज हैं, जो 1 साल वाला कोर्स है, उसमें 250 से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स कर चुके हैं उसको, ठीक है। उन सबसे पूछोगे ना क्या सीखा, पूरे साल में जो सिखाया कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे, आपको सिर्फ एक चीज बोलेंगे, GIVC। मजाक चलता है मेरे कोर्सेज में कि GIVC सिखाने के लिए परितोष 1 साल का कोर्स चलाता है, ठीक है। इसको सीखने में उतना टाइम लग जाता है, अपने खून में, DNA में उतारना पड़ता है। कुछ नहीं चाहिए, आप स्मोक नहीं करते, आप ड्रिंक नहीं करते, आप आउटगोइंग पर्सन नहीं हो, आप इंट्रोवर्ट हो, आपको बातें बनानी नहीं आती, आपको मजाक करना नहीं आता, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
मैं एक ना छोटा सा एग्जांपल देता हूँ अपने स्कूल डेज का। आई एम वेरी बैड इन सिंगिंग। तो स्कूल डेज में क्या होता था, 9th-10th के अंदर क्या होता था ना, जो लड़के सिंगर थे बड़े पॉपुलर थे, यू नो, दे यूज्ड टू बी वेरी पॉपुलर इन गर्ल्स, इन पार्टीज। जैसे ही कब गेट टुगेदर होनी 11वीं-12वीं में, तो लोगों ने उनको पकड़ लेना और हम कोने में खड़े रहते थे। अब सिंगिंग आती नहीं, पर मेरे को लगा अरे सीखनी चाहिए, देन यू कैन बिकम पॉपुलर, यू कैन बी पॉपुलर। सेम थॉट्स मेरे थे कि ये स्मोकिंग इंपॉर्टेंट है, मैं कहा सिंगिंग कर लेते हैं। मैंने टीचर को ज्वाइन कर लिया, हफ्ते बाद उसने बोला यू वोंट बी एबल टू बिकम ए सिंगर, गो होम, राइट। देन आई थॉट कैसे, देन आई हैड ए गुड सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर, मैं जोक्स अच्छे बोलता था। आई थॉट दैट्स अनदर गुड आइडिया। सो 10th-11th में क्या किया मैंने, आई स्टार्टेड कलेक्टिंग गुड जोक्स, very good jokes, and I practiced how to, you know, say in it. I started becoming popular. Now people wanted me to call because after singing they want to laugh or they want to have something else. So I became as popular as others. Sometimes people used to say, no, now let's get Asim, let's have some jokes from him. That's how you use different tools. So we have something in all of us, you know, which is genuine, and you can use that. And I fully agree with Paritosh. If you have a genuine interest in somebody, and if you go with the mindset of adding value to that group or those people, when I said jokes, I was adding value, I was making people laugh. Okay, so that's how. Imagine these guys who are stand-up comedians, they're adding value, they're making us laugh, and they are popular. So that's what we have to find that out and not restrict ourselves with anything. यार ये मैं कैसे करूँगा? सब कर सकते हो, सब कोई. That's what Paritosh started also.
So, ना मुझे सिंगिंग आती है, ना मुझे जोक्स आते हैं, मुझे कुछ नहीं आता। मुझे एक ट्रेनिंग आती है जो कि पार्टीज में कोई नहीं लेना चाहता, ठीक है, और दूसरा खून में GIVC है, and I have friends like Asim.
And if there are no more questions, so guys, Paritosh, thank you very much, and I think it was an amazing session. And friends, I am going to share link of Paritosh programs, because some of you have written about reading his book or talking about learning more on networking. So you can directly reach out to Paritosh, and he'll be happy to assist you, help you with different kind of programs. I can only say Paritosh knows how to sell, but I can tell you he has some fantastic programs which impact your business like anything. Not only business, as you have seen is in program, it also helps in building our personality better, learning some traits which are very important, being human being and being professionals. Thank you very much, Paritosh.
Thank you, Asim.
It's an amazing program. Thank you very much.
And yeah, sorry, Bhushan.
Yeah, I also want to thank Asim sir for bringing Paritosh here. I could never met Paritosh, but I learned a lot about him because one of my close friends, Ajay Jain, he has attended a couple of sessions. So he told this will be your lifetime kind of game changer once you met Paritosh. So lucky to be part of this, and I hope we can grow our internal Gurgaon business networking group, and maybe we take help from Paritosh whenever needed. Thank you. Thanks a lot for a great session.
We will invite Paritosh on our first get together of business networking group.
Same sir, आज फोटो नहीं खींचा आपने, आज कैमरे सारे ऑन हैं.
Take a picture, guys. Please switch on your camera and smile. Let's have a picture with Paritosh. Amit, Sameer, please switch on your.
Paritosh ने आज सारे कैमरास ऑन करवा रखे थे, आज सबसे आसान था फोटो लेना.
Okay, smile.
Thumbs up, everyone. ऐसे नहीं, boring picture नहीं लेंगे, exciting लेंगे. Thumbs up.
Okay.
Right. Yes, yes.
Okay. Fantastic. I'll just save this, and then we will. Just 1 minute. Yeah. Last time I clicked picture. And thank you for reminding. Surinder. Okay, guys. So that's it for the day. We are going to have recording of this. One request to all of you as we are growing this community. You write a lot of good things about the session and speaker and everything here. I think when I share on the groups, you should write there so that more people are activated, more people are excited. You should write your experience with the session. You should write how did it go. It will encourage more people to join this learning, because our aim for this is to create a collective genius, collective learning. Right, guys? Thank you very much. Bye-bye, Paritosh. Thank you very much.
Thank you all.
Okay,
Thank you, guys.
Just take 2 minutes of yours. Thanks, Paritosh. I'll just take 2 minutes of yours to share.
Thank you, sir.
A lot of people have given feedback on this forum, and we said that every Saturday is becoming a little tough. People want to join. So next month onwards, we are going to have alternate Saturday live session, and on one Saturday we are going to build some other engagement so that we have a week's engagement on that. There are some things which have come about total quality management. Fortunately, we have Indrajit Nagpal here, who's an expert in total quality management. There is some people have asked about one-entrepreneur to entrepreneur. Some people asked about the digital marketing within Sony session missed. So we are going to quickly share the calendar on first with you so that you can block your relative Saturdays with the work. But a lot is going to come, guys. And we are also planning, as soon as a little more environment becomes more better, we are going to have a YMCA Mob Learners Conclave, physical conclave. We are going to meet and going to enjoy and share, and as Paritosh say, add value to each other's lives. Thank you, guys. Enjoy your weekend. Thank you, Paritosh.
Right. Thank you,
Thank
guys.
you, Asim.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much for being open. Bye-bye.